Hey guys, and welcome back to the Laws of Physio YouTube page. Today we're going to go through a office workout. So this can be done during your coffee break. So it's recommended that you get up from your chair once every 45 minutes to an hour. This is going to help to prevent a sedentary lifestyle. So as you boil your kettle of water, we're going to do a quick workout. So the first exercise is the dip. All you're doing is turning your palms into the bench, lowering yourself down, 10 reps. Follow that by the squat. Go down as far as you can, 10 reps. And then the last thing you're going to do, shoulder blade squeezes. So just squeezing your shoulder blades together. This is going to open up your chest and it's going to help to prevent that bad posture. So as you can tell, or you can see from the exercise, I'm repeating the same 3 exercises over and over. So the kettle takes about 2 minutes to boil water. So the aim of this workout is just to pump as many cycles as you can before the water boils. So this is great if you're working from home. Formal on the top, sweatpants on the bottom. If not, then you can do it in your kitchen, at work. No one's gonna judge you. They're gonna admire your gains. So the reason you want to get your blood moving is studies have shown that sitting for prolonged periods of time causes a lot of mental and physical fatigue. Your muscles in your back and tummy get very fatigued from being in that posture for a long period of time. So by getting up and moving a little bit, kind of wake everything back up. At the same time, by using your muscles, you get to give everything a massive boost of blood flow, which increases your hormone production, endorphin production, gets oxygen to your body and your brain, and this can make you more productive. So that was a quick 2 minutes. The water is boiling now. So time for you to make a cuppa and get back to work. If you like this kind of content, please let me know in the description or the comments. Also leave a like if you do like it. Give me a bit of feedback and let me know how you go. See you guys next time.